Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's start in a comfortable cross-legged position with our eyes closed, taking some deep breaths, just relaxing our body. Slowly sweep your arms overhead, touching your fingertips at the top. And now lower your arms right in front of your chest as you open your arms wide, arching your back. Maybe you drop your head back. And now close your arms together, tuck your chin in towards your chest. Let's do that a couple more times. Let's close our arms together, tuck the chin in one more time as you lower down, walking your hands forward, coming into your cross-legged forward fold. Make your way into a tabletop position on your hands and knees. Arch your back for cow pose as you look up. Round your spine for cat pose as you tuck your chin in towards your chest. And let's do that one more time. Come into a kneeling position, sitting on your heels as you lift your right arm up, reaching up overhead. And now reach behind you. So you're feeling a stretch all in that right shoulder. Lower your right hand down behind you as you lift up and over with your left arm. We come into our open arm twist, bringing the body back to center. Left arm is forward, right arm is behind. And now left hand to right knee as you look over your right shoulder. And you drop that right hand down. Come back to center. Lift your left arm up. And now reach behind you. Lower that left hand down as you lift up and over with your right arm. Open arm twist to the left, right arm reaches forward, left arm reaches back. Now we twist to the left, lowering that right hand down to that left knee. You look over that left shoulder. Let's make our way onto our belly, coming into our Sphinx pose. Lower all the way down. Press into the forearms and the elbows. Relax your lower body, and you just look forward. Lower your left cheek down onto the backs of your palms. Make your way back into your Sphinx pose. Now you can stay just like this, or you can start to press into the palms as you straighten the arms, and maybe you even walk your hands closer to your hips. And you can drop your head back, wiggle the shoulders. And you lower back down, coming into a child's pose. sitting your hips back onto your heels. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale, let it go. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.